Last time I'm gonna see her. So I just went to go look for my keys and they weren't in the normal place. I used this amazing invention that finds keys. All you have to do is put this keychain on that has a little speaker on it. I came out here, pressed the button. I left them in my trunk, so. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a parent license plate relocation on the WRX. So from what I've heard, this is a very simple process and it will only take a few minutes. So this is the kit. It comes with a lovely license plate frame, along with the tow hook stem, the plate holder, some anti-seize, and then all the bolts and washers, and then an Allen wrench. First things, are you kidding me? First things first, you're gonna want a flathead and a nice rag. It doesn't have to be nice, just a rag. And you're gonna pop the tab. Half this video is just me waiting for the auto shop next door to stop making noise. Okay, let's try this again. That was so much harder than it looks. Now this is off. So annoying. Now you're gonna get your torque wrench. Oh no. So I have a 3/8 drive torque wrench. I'm gonna have to get an adapter for this. So I don't have an adapter, so I'm just doing it till it's snug. It's about snug. Just so you don't make the mistake that I did, make sure that you have the actual license plate holder not upside down. So this is what it looks like after installing the kit. We got some streetcar points now. Also, not only did it come with a license plate holder, but Perrin also sent some really cute, they sent some Perrin stickers, and then they sent this one, which I thought was really funny. It says that this vehicle has been modified and may handle and perform differently, and I thought that'd be funny to put on this because it's performance-wise stock. Oh, isn't that fun, Walter? Walter's like, yeah. Today is the day. Last time I'm gonna see her. I'm not crying at all. I'm crying. Damn, look at that fitment. Okay, I think I'm gonna slam it. I think I'm gonna slam it. That looks so good. Hey guys, so you're probably wondering why my car was being loaded onto a tow truck and sent away. And if you've been following me long enough, or if you're updated on my Instagram, link in the description, or my username's right here somewhere, then you would know that my RX-7's engine blew. So I'm pretty sure it's the coolant seals in particular that blew, because I was having endless overheating issues up until it stopped running. So yesterday was finally my scheduled appointment to ship it off to the shop in LA, and the rest is a secret for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe as always. And stay tuned because Blaze 2.0 is coming right around the corner. Like I said, make sure to follow my Instagram because that is the social media I'm most active on. It's the best place to stay updated with my car. So that's all for today, guys. I'll see you guys next time.